Hello ladies and gents, today I'm proud to present a new video. This is going to be the Galaxy S10 unboxing. Let's begin. Wait a second. Wait, this ain't the S10, is it? Oh, it's a Nokia. Let's try this again, shall we?
Rewind, 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 rewind. Gonna rewind, rewind. Let's take this back and replace the mistake. Gonna rewind, 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 rewind.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. And here we are. We got ourselves a Galaxy S10. Pretty easy to get out of the box. Oh, we've got a charger, which looks very Samsungy indeed, so that's great news. Some kind of USB, like a USB type thing. It's like you plug a USB into your thing, and then you can connect up to your phone, which is really awesome. An empty box. Good lord, the lighting is terrible. USB flash drives into the phone. Okay, let's have a quick look at the phone itself. Look at the top little thing there, it's pretty cute. 2 little cameras there. There's a power button to the side. A headphone jack, a speaker and a microphone, and a Type-C. Good thing is... That's not the good thing, that was just a message on my phone. You can convert that to a Type-B, so if you've got like an old charger for the previous generation Androids, you can do that, no problem at all. Volume buttons, I'm not sure what this one is, but I think it's for the Bixby feature on Android, on Samsung. Quite a new thing. Micro SD slot, and I think it's a microphone. I might be wrong there. The back of the phone is got 1, 2, 3... Looks like it's got about 3 cameras, a flash, and a little infrared sensor, I think. Maybe not infrared, but, you know, if it's got Samsung Fitness, that's probably to measure your heart rate, like it was on the S5. Look at this phone. Wow. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh, slight vibration. Secured by Knox.
Dun dun dun.
Okay. And now the light's just not going in my favor. Oh wow, okay. Let's go. Yep, okay, we'll just agree to everything you're asking, Samsung. Back up your old data. We'll just skip this for now. So that's quite useful if you've got like an old phone, you can just back it up. Okay. So, yeah, I'll just connect to my Wi-Fi a second. Gotta enter the good old PIN. Wait a second, I didn't even type anything in. No, thank you, Google. Okay. Wow, we've got a few different options here for security. Face recognition, fingerprints, not now. Skip. Get recommended apps. No thank you. Skip. Wow. Skip. It's a lot of stuff. Finish. And we are live. Wowzers, look at this. Galaxy S10. Rough. It's like, hey, you peasant, go get my stuff. Let's see what we can find out about the phone. Status. What version of Android are you running, my friends? Software info. Android 9. Very nice. P. Android P. Okay, cool. It's got Knox version, which isn't too interesting. And it was last patched the 1st of Feb, 2019. Battery info. It's got 4,100 milliamps worth of battery. And they put a little... I think as of Samsung's history of bad batteries, they've had to put this in. Disclaimer. Quite cute, yeah, Samsung. Very cute. Apps. Quite a few different apps. 3 likes. I want to try this one.
YouTube.com.
Settings. We'll turn you on. See what you do. Video enhancer. So, let's give a little go. 8K. And yeah, let's have a look at a full HD video. Sorry if you don't like Morocco. So, there's something you might notice about this. Look at these settings. HDR. It might be hard to see, but it looks beautiful. Look at the monkey. It's like, hey, what's up, man? Hey, look, 8K. 4K. Real life. Phone life. It's crazy how far we've got with technology. And look, get it full screen. And look, the notch isn't too bad either. It's amazing, not though. Look at the corner of it. What about multitasking? Oh crap. Crapple. Sorry, wrong word. Yeah, got all these different features. No thank you. Oh, it's a Bixby button. It's like, do you like how you've got like a personal assistant on your phone? It's Samsung's version, they call it Bixby. But no, I'm not going to update that right now. You can just ask it questions, but, hey, what are you doing on here? Uninstall? No thank you. And Facebook, what are you doing on here, dog? If I can't get rid of it, disable it. And, yeah.
Take a picture of what you like.
Another cool thing about this phone is the camera. We'll run a quick run through of this. Look at this photograph! But yeah, based on the 3 cameras, it's like when you increase your field of view in a game. It's like that. That's what it reminds me of. Hey, look, it's picked up on a face. Bob Ross's face. Yeah, super slow-mo. Okay. Watch this. It's going to be a bit hard with a fish. There you go, you might be able to see it. moving ever so slowly. It's very cool, the slow-mo feature. I like that. And yeah, it's got like this emojis feature when you start talking, sort of thing. Let's see if we can find it. AR emoji. This is a pretty fun feature. I'm gonna have to leave it at this. Watch this.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to review tech. Yeah. And yes, well, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do whatever, like leave a comment, like, subscribe, I don't care. Have a great day. Bye. Hey everybody, before this video ends, I thought I'd share with you some funny moments I had while making a video. Trust me, you're gonna laugh.
Let's see what this button does. Has to be the S10. And how do I get it out with one hand? Challenge. There's a little plasticky piece here, but hang on. Still filming? We still filming. So we have ourselves a Galaxy S10. My goodness, we'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, that's the bit where the credits are rolling and you're still here? Wow, you must really like this channel. Holy moly. Okay, I'm officially going now. Bye.